These are my favorite new dish towels. This is Homaxy's 100% cotton waffle weave dish towels. They are 12 by 12. They come in a dozen different colors, but I like this white because you can use it and coordinate with anything, and you can bleach it. It's washable. It has this nice banding here that sets it apart. A triple banding, this small tightly knit honeycomb, this terry cloth strip, and then the final hem, the banding keeps it very secure, very durable. They look as great washed after you've used them a few times, and they stack super nicely in the drawer. They're very absorbent, and they coordinate well with a lot of the other Homaxy towels, and they would coordinate with anything because of the color, and the natural waffle weave texture gives them a blendability. I really like this particular brand because it has a lot of room to wash dishes, but it's also not oversized, that you can use it for its purpose and put it right back in the drawer easily because of the size. It's 100% natural cotton, and it has this little band here. This little hanger will let you hang it if you choose to, or you can snip it away. It just gives the washing instructions and the 100% cotton label, but I like it because I can hang it up to dry if I need to. This is a great brand. I highly recommend this dish towel.